Viewers reached out to CBS North Carolina for answers after they tell us their behavior health clinic closed abruptly. Patients tell us it's been a week since they've been able to refill their prescriptions. CBS North Carolina's Kelly Kennedy went to Garner Family Care Services looking for answers.
Patients say Garner Family Care Services has been shut down since July 17th.
I got a call a couple of days before I was supposed to come in for an appointment. I believe it was the secretary called and really quickly said that April was not going to be able to see me and that she would call me later. I never did hear from anybody.
A patient who did not want to be identified says a note on the door explained that providers would not be in the office until August 1st and that they would be taking care of prescription refills. I checked today and the clinic is still not seeing patients.
I started calling on the 2nd and their voicemail was full and nobody returned my call.
He says he came by in person on Monday and spoke with the owner. That's when he was told he could come back today to pick up his prescription.
Nobody's there. Door's locked. Nobody called, let me know anything.
I spoke with another patient off camera who also went to this clinic who says she still hasn't had her prescription refilled, and she says because of that, she ended up in the emergency room suffering from withdrawal symptoms. I tracked down the owner of the business, Scott Elliott. At this point, have you refilled all the prescriptions of the people who had reached out?
To my knowledge, we have. There may have been some that have not followed back up with us, but as of yesterday, we were pretty much up to date.
Elliott says they had no choice but to shut down because of a lice infestation in the office.
During that time period, two of our mid-levels, our PAs, left abruptly without notice.
Something pretty bad was going on because they just up and dropped all their patients.
Elliott says they do have someone in the office answering phones now and says they'll reopen in another 2 to 3 weeks once they hire more providers. In Garner, Kelly Kennedy, CBS North Carolina.